Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about SAP ABAP tables. So tables can be defined independent of the database in ABAP dictionary. So when a table is activated in ABAP dictionary, similar copy of its fields is created in the database as well. The tables defined in ABAP dictionary are translated automatically into the format that is compatible with the database because the definition of the table depends on the database used by the SAP system. A table can contain one or more fields, each defined with its data type and length. The large amount of data stored in a table is distributed among the several fields defined in the table. Types of table fields. A table consists of many fields and each field contains many elements. Elements and description. Field name. This is the name given to the field and contain a maximum of 16 characters. Key flag. Field type assigns a data type to a field. Key flag determines whether or not a field belongs to a key field. Field length, the number of characters that can be entered in a field. Decimal places defines the number of digits permissible after the decimal point. Short text describes the meaning of the corresponding field. Creating tables in ABAP dictionary. Step 1. Go to transaction SC11. Select the database table radio button and enter a name for the table to be created. In our case, we have entered name is at customers 1. Click the create button. The dictionary maintain table screen appears. Here the delivery and maintenance tab is selected by default. Enter an explanatory short text in the short description field. Click the search help icon beside the delivery class field. Select the display maintenance allowed from the data browser table view maintenance drop down menu. The dictionary maintenance table screen appears. Select the Fields tab. Screen containing the options related to the Fields tab appears. Step 6. Enter the names of table fields in the field column. A field name may contain letters, digits, and underscore, but it must always begin with a letter and must not be longer than 16 characters. The fields that are to be created must also have data elements because they take the attributes such as data type, length, decimal places, and short text from the defined data element. Step 7. Select the key column if you want the field to be a part of the table. Create fields such as client, customer name, title, DOV. Step 8. The first field is an important one and it identifies the client which records are associated with. Enter client as the field, MANDT as the data element. System automatically fills in the data type, length, decimal, and short description. Client field is made a key field by checking key box. Next field is customer. Check the box to make it a key field. Enter a new data element is set to customer. Click the save button. As the data element is a custom doesn't exist, it has to be created. Double click the new data element and the create data element window appears. Answer yes to this and maintain a data element window appears. Enter customer number in the short description area. The elementary data type called domain should be defined for the new data element. So enter reset custard v1. Double click it and agree to save changes. Choose yes to create the domain and type into the short description box a description of the domain. The definition tab opens automatically. The first field is data type. Click inside the box and select num_c type from the drop-down menu. Enter the number 8 in the number of characters field, a maximum of 8 characters and 0 decimal places. Click Save button and activate the object. Press F3 to return to maintain change data elements. Create 4 field labels as shown in the snapshot, and after this save and activate the element. Press the back button to return to the table maintenance screen. The customer column has the correct data type, length, decimal and short description. This indicates the successful creation of a data element and also the domain used. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP data element. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.